Besure Technology Company Limited has a global mission of creating opportunities to keep pace with the future of an environmentally conscious world. We are a 20-years-old Chinese and European joint venture company focusing on the pulp molding industry. Our goal and our motto has always been harmony, honesty, creativity, and dedication. With innovative exploration and pioneering, BST has become an international leader in the pulp molding equipment manufacturing industry and has earned a place on the OTC Chinese stock market. BST is the important supplier of pulp molding equipment, molds, and tableware products in the world. BST is accomplished in a 38,000 square meters facility located in Foshan, Guangdong, the equipment manufacturing center of China, including a standard large-scale manufacturing workshop of 20,000 square meters, an office building of 3,500 square meters, equipped with living facilities like dormitory, canteen, basketball playground, karaoke room, etc. Our group of 200 employees includes teams for technical research and development, mold design, engineering installation and commissioning, manufacturing, after-sales service, and international sales. Among them, technical personnel in various fields account for more than 55% of the total number. In 2014, BST established an R&D center in Europe, from where the world's pulp molding industry originated. International technical and industrial talent joined our team, which has allowed BST to achieve rapid advances in technology. In 2016, BST signed a strategic cooperation agreement with Siemens Corporation of Germany, bringing BST onto the path of intelligent development of the pulp molding production line. BST is a high-tech enterprise, and many of its products have obtained the Chinese high-tech product certification. Our fully automatic pulp molding tableware equipment has been recognized by the Chinese Ministry of Science and Technology as the first innovative product in pulp molding industry of China. BST has successfully cooperated with many scientific research institutes such as South China University of Technology and Tianjin Packaging Research Institute. We have obtained many patents, including more than 10 national invention patents, more than 100 utility model patents, and more than 10 software copyrights. BST has produced many firsts in technology and has shown to be in the lead position in this global industry. BST is a member of International Molded Fiber Association, IMFA, and is president unit of the China Packaging Association. We participated in the drafting of China's pulp molding production line industry standard and China's pulp molding products industry standard. BST has been making a great effort, together with its professional capability, to achieve efficient, energy-saving, and stable production line technology. There are 6 major production lines in BST: fully automatic pulp molding tableware production line for disposable pulp molded lunch boxes, soup bowls, plates, couplets in the catering fields. Fully automatic tray production line for egg tray, fruit tray, beverage tray, coffee tray, medical tray, and etc. Fully automatic egg carton production line for egg carton. Fully automatic fine art packaging production line for packaging of handicrafts, mobile phones, daily necessities, digital products, etc. Fully automatic industrial packaging production line for electronic appliances, hardware, furniture, tools, and other packaging. Fully automatic medical supplies production line for disposable urinals and other medical products. BST has advanced equipment manufacturing workshops including blanking, welding, assembly, painting, machining, and electrical assembly. The mold manufacturing workshops includes CNC machining, drilling, mesh bending, polishing, and assembly. We are equipped with various advanced processing equipment. BST adheres to the business philosophy of quality is the basis of enterprise survival and strictly implements the ISO 9001 quality management system. We cooperate with world standard suppliers from Europe and Japan. Our products have various international certificates including European CE certification, Canadian CSA certification, and Russian CUTR international certification, and American UL certification. BST is customer-oriented and deploys 6 major service centers around the world to provide professional and fast overall solutions in the neighborhood. Those services include pre-sale service such as providing market analysis, project positioning, development planning, investment solutions, investment return analysis, and other sales consultation services. Our sales services include equipment manufacturing, installation and commissioning, operation training, and after-sales service such as maintenance and production management guidance. BST has implemented lean management and lean manufacturing and has delivered more than 400 various production lines to the industry. With excellent quality and excellent service, BST has won the unanimous approval of our customers. At present, more than 90 countries and regions including the European Union, the United States, India, and China have enacted laws banning plastics. It is expected that the world will ban disposable plastics by 2025, creating a new era in which plastics are replaced by pulp-based products. BST has grabbed the pulse of the times, conformed to the trend of the times, and laid out the industry industrial ecological chain. It has established pulp-molded finished product production plants in China and India. BST will continue to expand its group scale by establishing a large international pulp molding group, integrating the R&D manufacturing of the production line, and as well the manufacturing of finished products.
Besure始终致力于环保产业生产绿色产品。Besure不断创新，精益求精，让产品更智能、更节能，让客户放心，让用户满意，让我们的产品走进千家万户，为人类的健康生活而不懈努力。
和谐共进，创新求精，合作共赢。
BST, hand in hand with a dream. It's harmonizing with the times.